guys fucking like, oh my god.
I fucking so like this dude. I have to have an IS. It's not an F sport. Like, it's an F sport, but you got the IS. Man, nice seeing you out here.
Fucking sick ass legs, man. I love it. I love it.
What a trip, bro. 20 years. Where have we made it, bro? Not as good as you, but man.
Thank you, man. Thank you. I appreciate you, man. Thank you. Thank you. Right on, dude. We got SND fuse holders.
And then me and my daughter, we did all the CNC work.
Loaded up with the SND distro bars all up in here.
Six Evo 12s on 9K.
Damn. Okay. Cigar, Evo 12. Getting it. Looks good, man. Sounds good. Hey man, I love it. Thank you, man. Bad as hell, dude. All right, what is in here again? How many, what? 15s?
I got 16 15s, 4 XFL 15s, and 12 TNTs.
Damn.
And I got 4 Tar Amps Smart 3Ks. And I've got a Limitless Lithium 12K and 2 of the North Star AGMs.
I mean, my camera, those woofers go so far back, it's too dark for my camera to pick them up. God damn, dude. All right, well, if we can hear it, man, I want to hear this.
Yeah, let's see if we can get it.
Do you want me to shut my door, or do you want me to leave it open, or?
Yeah, go ahead and shut your door. It's weird not revving it.
That's just battery power?
Yeah.
God damn.
I dropped down to 11.8 volts.
Well,
Damn.
I can't wait to hear it next time when the alternators are working.
Yep.
I appreciate the demo. Keep doing what you do, man.
Thank you.
That is hell, dude. Thank you for the demo. Mr. 15 Hertz, huh? Yeah, man. So what do you got? Oh, it's so loud I can't even hear. Okay, so let me get this straight. You're gonna stand outside the car and make me get in.
Yeah, it's just lows though.
Why do they call you Mr. 15 Hertz? Is there like bass in this thing or something?
Yeah, I play a lot of 15 Hertz.
It sounds like low bass to me.
I love lows, man.
All right, all right. Well, what do you got in here again? You told me already, but the camera's on now. So
6 Jones Subwoofer Solutions 21s.
Okay.
2 bass 30Ks Tar Amps. 2 Singer 270s. And just 6 order.
6 order box, big ass wall. All right, man. I'm about to get in this bastard right now. All right, I was gonna get in the door, but apparently it's bolted shut, so that's not a good sign. Fuck. How am I getting out?
It's on the driver's side, so it's not too bad.
Okay, okay.
I'm not trying to hurt you.
Oh, I appreciate that. Thank you, appreciate it. I need some air. Oh, so I'm demoing with you. That's cool. All right, all right.
621s is this?
6 21-inch subwoofers, and that looks like a port back there.
Yeah,
so
it's a 6 order.
Yep, yep.
She's a big boy.
Okay. All right, so you got a dash made of, it looks like steel, 3/8 to a quarter. It looks like 3/8 inch steel on the top.
3/16.
I mean, I'm sorry, 3/16. and I see a bunch of welding and a bunch of foam.
Scary shit.
It's kind of scary, man.
Scary shit.
But if you're in here,
I'm sealed in on the passenger side.
all right.
Making panties drip, pedal to rip. This is DJ Rusticles. All right, Mr. 15 Hertz.
Yes, sir.
That shit was very low.
Yes, sir.
Sorry
14
that
hertz on
it
that
got a little hot out here for your amp, but regardless, man, that shit's ridiculous. Thank you for the demo.
Yeah, no problem.
I'm looking forward to the next demo.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, and if I catch you before this thing, if it cools down and I'm still here, we're gonna finish this up.
Yeah.
Shit, man, appreciate it. Yeah.